Hey, what's up? This is another one I got this week. This is a little 8-inch Monarch Air. Well, it's made by Monarch Air, but it's a Montgomery Ward. Model number 35 KW 25438. Don't know how old it is, but I have its bigger brother, and it's got a rubber cord on it, so I'd say probably 50s maybe. And this little turd has a steel blade on it. That thing is kind of heavy. But anyways, it's an eBay find. It's in really good shape. It's got the rubber feet on it, and they're hard as a damn rock. I have to drill the rivets out and put some of my sink washers in there. But anyways, it's got the nice blue hammered paint job on it. Bearings are kind of loose in it. Blade's a little off balance and it rattles, but anyway, it does really good. It doesn't have any bad smells. It doesn't get really hot. It's been running for a few hours. And it's just a plug and go. I'll probably put a click switch on it. Here she goes. Plugged in, going. This one was running in the background of the Westinghouse video. That's it. It's quite the fast spinner, but it's not really loud. Other than the thing sitting there. Well, it needs fiber washers, obviously. It needs bouncing back and forth. Anyway, that's it for this one. I'll probably here in a few days do its big brother video. Oh look, there's the Westinghouse buzzing. Alright, we're done now. Bye.